their notes. Who did not submit? Why? Have you wrapped the book? Okay, so even today you're not going to submit the book. Just you and the book come and lay down here. You're not serious. Everybody open here and mark your book. Open here and mark your book. Open here and mark your book. Someone submitted a comment. Is it you? They submitted a promise instead of mass. Open here and mark your book. This or that. Remove your hand, please. Don't let me say that with my subjects. I think I'm at liberty to choose whether to keep them or not.
I'm not experienced, but I'm very copy.
You are not experienced, why?
Nah,
You have something to do. We don't have any females. What that nails back up is for you now for last. Okay, so today give matter. Today we'll be talking about we are still on that quadratic expression. Quadratic. Make sure you exactly where I am. Make sure you exactly where I am. Right. An expression is called okay, let me go to right. So the mouth is big. I hope you have filled the other one. Okay, just now. Make sure you're exactly where I am. Why is he faint again? Let me go to your seat. Make sure you have that thing down to me. Do you hear me? Kevin, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me explain what is on the board. In algebra, some quadratic expression can be. What will make an expression to be quadratic? What can make an expression to be quadratic? You are shaking your head. We did quadratic equation on Monday. That is scheme of work. Tuesday, everybody in this class is kneel down. Kneel down. What will make an expression to be quadratic? What will make an expression to be quadratic? You put on know. Go ahead. You don't know what to make an expression to be quadratic. If the power of the unknown is 2, if it is more than 2, it's no longer quadratic. It's 2. So for answering at all, sit down. The rest keep kneeling. Yes. Okay. So that anything that I say today, you will not forget again. Okay, so an expression is said to be quadratic if the highest power of the unknown is 2. I said it that day and I'm repeating it again today. An expression is said to be quadratic if the highest power of the unknown is what? Is 2. Good. If it is not up to 2, is what? Linear. God bless you. You are paying attention. Linear expression. Okay, so one of the such identity is called difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. You know that if you say that the higher power of the unknown is 2, 2 stands for what? If the power is 2, what do we say? It's square, right? Yes. So when you say difference of two square, difference stand, what is the another name for difference? Minus. So difference of 2 square means this square minus this square, right? Yes. So that is another method of factorizing quadratic expression. An expression is called difference of two squares. It is in the form of this square minus this square. So I use a square minus what? B square. Where a and b are any algebraic thing. It mustn't be a and b. It can be s and y. It can be any number with a mixture of letter. Because for you to even say that an expression is algebraic, it means that there is mixture of letters and what? Numbers, right? So by the time you say this square minus this square, the method you are going to use to factorize is, okay, these are examples of difference of square. So the method you are going to use to factor, very simple. And I still write here that it's very simple and accurate and quick. That is the easiest, the quickest way to factorize. So if you have something like number 1, x square minus 16. X square is in square, 16 is in square, am I right?
Yes.
Is square is 16 a square of any number?
Yes, ma'am.
What number?
4.
Is x square a square of any number?
Yes, ma'am.
Or what number?
X.
Or what letter?
Yes.
X. So we are going to develop 2 brackets. At the end of factorization, what we normally see is what? 2 brackets, right?
Yes.
So we are going to develop 2 brackets. If you develop 2 brackets, you are going to have inside the first bracket, you are going to have a plus 4. The square root of x square, x. The square root of x square is what? X. The square root of 16 is what? 4. So you split it. X plus 4 and the other bracket x minus 4. It's as simple as that. Have you seen it now? Any question on this? Just know the square root. Know how to expand it. This one is plus and this is what? Minus. I want you to quickly expand this. Now, let's expand and see whether we are going to get this. Go to the back of your book. Expand x plus 4 bracket x minus 4 and tell me what you get. You have like 3 seconds to do, 3 minutes to do that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go and finish expanding.
Now the answer is x square minus 16.
X square minus what? 16. Who did not get it right? Who did not get it right? Because by the time x multiply x, you get what? X squared. X multiply 4, you get what? Minus 4x. 4 multiply x, you get what? Plus 4x. And 4 times
Minus 16.
will give you minus what? 16. Minus 4 will cancel plus 4. You are left with what? X squared minus what? 16. You see that is very correct and accurate. Have you seen that? So let's go to the second one. I want you to tell me what I'm going to do in this second one. What am I going to do in second one? What am I writing?
Minus x plus 2.
Why is it 2? 4 is squared there.
Yeah. Okay. It's x plus 4.
Bracket.
X minus.
Assuming there is nothing here, what will it have been?
X
plus 2. I think I will do so that it will be different somehow from the one that we did. Okay? So let me leave you like that. Then number 3. 9a squared minus b squared. And waiting. What will be in the bracket?
A plus b. No, it's
3a. God bless you. 3a minus what?
b.
Bracket what?
3a plus b.
3a minus b. Correct. That's all. That is just all. Okay? And then go ahead and write.
Okay, let's have it.
Okay, before I give you for class work, I think I can add one. Let's see how this one will give. What if we have 49 y squared minus 1? I just want to give more so that you won't have any excuse. What if you have 16x squared minus 25? Give me duster, let's wipe here. This one, everything, including dates. So that we enter out. Okay. Can we go ahead? So solution to number 4. Number 4, we have what? 49y squared minus 1. What am I having in first bracket?
7
Okay, ahead.
7
Then number 5, what am I having here?
16x squared.
Okay, to write first. 16x squared minus 25. So what am I having here?
4x
Plus 5 ahead. This is your classwork. And this classwork, I'm marking it now. Give me marker so that this marker is no longer sharp. I need marker. Okay, so factorize the following. Four m squared minus 81. 100 p squared minus 25 q squared. Q squared. Number C. 121 m squared minus 49 n squared. There is Q. I have you. Just wipe your bottom. 25a squared minus 4b squared. Okay? So your prefects will bring, or Toby, if I bring your textbook, let me give you assignment that will be submitted on Monday. I will give you for assignment that will, remember we are writing tests on Wednesday next week. So you can use this weekend to revise your last sem work. Revise the last I'll just read last step first. If I'm going to change my mind and include this step, fine. But make sure last time work is still in your head. Okay, that's the version test. Huh? So I have SS3B now. So Toby, remember to submit their notes here. If you submit to Toby, you sit down. You know that you are done with maths. If you have not submitted to Toby, don't sit down. You are still dealing with maths. Are you done? If you submit to Toby, you will kneel down, submit to Toby. Or you stand and go and submit to Toby, you now come and sit down. You actually walking so here. If I near you, I'll just sit them. You hear the sound. Hi everyone. I'm done with the class I have now. I'm going to another class.
Why is it so angry?
Alpha. I'm not going to see you yesterday.
I
asked them, they said you went
Okay, when you wanted to go. Alpha. Nigeria win. They win Nigeria. How are you? How dare you? How dare you?
Where's your blue shirt?
Now, blue panther from where?
I don't see that.
Shebi na make we wear blue. Let me show you. Oh God, the rush is not good. How are you? How are you? Thanks for the light. Stamina. 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 Great, come. How are you? Is there any teacher? I pass my email, so I'll give you cash. Is there any empty seat here? Who is sitting here? Give me the seat now. I gave people formula for finding the difference between distance on a straight line. Okay, so that's what we see the example that day. So we saw the example. Remove everything you have on your desk and have only your math notebook and your pen. They don't want to get this here. So you are still doing coordinate geometry. So what's the formula I gave you?
Square root bracket x raised to.
What is square root bracket? Square root of square root bracket
X raised to minus
base 2.
x.
Did I explain that or did I? Did I? Or you have forgotten? You have forgotten what I explained to you that day. Okay. So when I was teaching that the principal was seated here. I was not explaining it.
Yes,
Are you going to keep your hand like this? Now! Say I.
I.
You're not going to pass papers. Say I.
I.
Make sure you're in.
So I find that.
You see this term? What happened to me last term?
What happened to me last time?
What happened to me again?
What happened to me again?
Anything that is holding me.
Anything that is holding.
Be it village people.
Village people.
Township.
Township.
In fact, anything.
In fact, anything.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Ramaka.
Ramaka.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Shout
Amen.
Because tell me why I spent over 1 hour explaining this truth, and you are thinking, you are about to remember. In fact, some of you are still thinking, are you sure? Esther, are you done thinking? You are still thinking. Okay, so let's go to like I said the first point is always x1. So if you have this is a Cartesian plane and this is y and this is x. So imagine that this origin, imagine that where x and y meet here, we'll call it A. The next place they are meeting, we'll call that point B. So whatever that is here is x1 and y1. Whatever that is here is x2 and y2. So it's that point where x and y intersect is what we call point. Okay? And whatever that x is or whatever y is that make them to intersect here is what we call either x1 or x2. So we solve it. Okay, this is the formula for finding distance between 2 points. As you can see, this is point A from the illustration that is on the board. This is point A and this is what point B. The distance between this A and B is what we are talking about. The distance is gotten by using the square root of x1, x2 minus x1 plus the square of x2 minus y2 minus y1. So you have to know your x1, know your x2. And I said it that day again that if you are having any point, any coordinate point, okay, and you have let's say 1 and 2, automatically you know that this is what? X and y. This is x. The first number is x and the second number is what? Y. It's like that. It's not that you are going to say which one is x and this one. As far as that coordinate is for x, y coordinate, x will come before what? Y. So let's solve this example, right? A and B have their coordinates to be -1. Okay, let me quickly find A -1, 5, and B 7, -3, respectively. When they say respectively, what does it mean? If you are answering the question and they give values and say respectively, what does it mean? What does it mean? If you are answering any question in class and they say they listed values and say respectively, especially when you have to do the different values of different anything, and they listed and they say respectively, what does it mean? What does it mean? Effectively. As a next month, you will enter find what? The values, that is respectively. Great to just be Secretary General on our copying. This question does not concern people that are copying. People don't know what it means. I know what I will be doing now. Whenever I'm coming to this, but possibly I'll come with a note. Yes. Because if I tell you what respectively means now, it means that just spoon feed you. Yes. We are going to enter on next week, next month. That's February. For more. When they say respectively, it means you should follow it judiciously. That this one is for the first, and this one is what? For the second, accordingly. So not that these points can be B or C. It's going to be first point for first value for the first point, second value for the second one. That's what it means to say respectively. This respectively, I think I explained when we did longitude and latitude. And I'm explaining it again now. Okay, so you say 2 points A and B have their coordinates to be A, this, B, that, respectively. Find the distance between A and B. How do we do that? First of all, we need to find the value of x2, x1 and what? X2. Okay? So from point A, since our point A is -1 and what? 5. And this is x and this is what? Y. So this is y, x1, and this is y1. Because it's coming from the first point. Then our B, inside our B we have what? 7 and what? -3. This is what? X2 and what? Y2. Now apply our formula. Okay? In applying our formula, we have distance between equal to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus what? Y2 minus y1 squared. Now let's fix the values. Square root of what are we going to do now? X2 is what? 7. And x1 is what? -1. So you have to careful so that you won't make mistake. Okay? Good. Then plus. Why is our y2? Minus 3. And what is our y1? 5. Remember there is what? Square. Okay? So going further, we have minus is what? So 7 plus 1 is what? 8. So we have 8 square here, right? So we have 8 square plus. This and this will give us what? Minus 8. So we have minus 8 square. And that will give us what? 60 plus what? 64. We do 64 plus 64. What are we going to get? Square root of 128. We have net root for 128. So we are going to apply either sum or use decimal. Or I think sum is better. Okay? So what will give us perfect square root and possibly the one that is not square? One will be sum and one will be perfect root. What do we have? We're looking at what we have upstairs here. So it's going to be 2 times 64. Because inside from 128, we have what? 64 into 2 places. Like 2 times 64. 64 is a perfect root and 2 is not. 2 is a sum, irrational number, right? So we have 2 times 64. So if we split it, what is square root of 64? 8. And we have square root of what? 2. So we have what? 8 root 2 units. Simple as that. It's units because you are calculating distance from the calculation plane. Okay. Come on, wipe your feet. Come here and make people. One of you just got part of his boxer and say, hey, he's lost that. When you start using it. Come here and make people. Another solution. Who has a good here? Okay, so where there's no geometry. Give me. Yes, sir. Just go ahead. Don't worry, I'll. I might give you class of an assignment for the this time is going to some. We'll go ahead and solve maybe one more example, then I'll give you the class of an assignment from you. Your assignment book is still with you, right?
Yes.
You have misplaced it. Or if you will be plaiting hair, Jesus' birthday, you're on a plait hair pass. Okay, so example 2. We're still going to find distance between this one is okay, let me use C this time around 4 comma and use the 5 1. C and D. Who's my coordinates? Okay. This is our formula. Hope everybody is getting used to the formula. You're getting used to the formula, right? Do we still have people in this class that have calculator? Yes. Calculator is for tomorrow. Now they wipe here now. Okay, please, you have wipe that side. As students don't take a calculator serious. Oh, account students, you use calculators. No. It's only pure art students that don't take calculators seriously. They can just stay one after exam. They lost it and still another one. Actually. Okay, so I'm going to. You need to start writing out x1 and x2. Okay, so tell me what you're writing.
5. Sorry, 8 minus 5.
8 minus 5, squared. Okay, plus
minus 3 minus 1.
minus 3 minus 1 minus, okay, minus 1 is squared. Okay, so what are we doing next?
3.
You give us what?
3 squared.
3 squared is what?
9.
Okay, and this is what?
Minus 4.
Squared is what?
16.
16. So what do we have? Square root of what? 25. And that will give us for 5 units. Okay. Okay, apart from Ella, any other person here will say textbook? No other person. Okay, so we are going to tell me, I have to copy this thing on the board. We are going to do 6 questions here. It's a find distance between the points in each of the following pairs. Leave your answer in short form. I've shown you how to leave your. We've done sort before now. Yes. I just to refresh your memory on how to leave your answer in short form. Okay, that is the first example. So I have 6 questions here. You people will do 1, 3, 1, 3, 5 for classwork and do 2, 4, 6 for assignment. Just mix it. 1, 3, 5. Then 2, 4, 6. For assignment. The assignment will be submitted tomorrow because Monday will still go to Monday will still be very busy for me. I don't know. Go and finish copying this example. I'm gonna come and write the question for them. I think it is double period I'm supposed to have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so use the other period. Yes, if possible, say let me get this classwork now, as in within the period. So that I would have finished marking before I have another period. I'll be marking in the staff room, so please do not make noise. Okay? 135. Copy the instructions too. Great. Great. Bring my money for me. Oh. Very good. Guys, Ahmedine. Ahmedine. Hi, Ahmedine. You're welcome to the live stream. I'm from Nigeria. Huh? How the day with you? I'm fine, thank you. The day is going well. To the glory of God, it's going well. How is your side? Watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Okay. Mhm. Thank you. Come and go quickly. Well done.